Welcome guys once more. I'm happy to see that you're carrying on your video. If you land on this video by mistake, this will be the second video on the long series of educational videos that make you guys expert in forex trading. As a second video here in trading magic, we're gonna talk about what is traded in forex. Okay guys, if I ask you what is traded in forex, I think in the previous video we discussed a little bit about that. If you were paying close attention, I guess by now you have the answer, but let's dive into it. Boom. So here is what we are trading here in forex. Even now guys, you still don't guess it. I know you did. Obviously you guess what we are doing here in forex trading. So we are trading money. That's simple as that. Here we are trading money, because we are not buying anything physically, we are not buying any stocks, we are not buying any other bunch of pens to resell later when the price will be better, or we are not buying like some computer from Apple's, guessing that after some time they will be more expensive so that we resell them and get profit. No, here in forex we are buying and selling currency. Pretty interesting, I know. In general, a currency is a clear reflection on how the country is doing compared to other country in the world. Like I would say economically, also politically, because there are some political aspects who also affect the currency value of a particular country. So if you want to understand exactly what we are doing over here, you have to be thinking about buying a currency as buying a share to a particular country, right? Yeah, if you decide to buy the US dollar, means you are buying a little share in a dollar in the US economy technically. So you buy at that level and you know that the dollar will do good for the upcoming minutes or hours, so you'll be able to resell them in the market and get the profit. Inversely also a sell. So when you're selling a currency, you're actually betting that the currency will do good according to this news or according to this price action. You are betting that this currency will lose value, so you sell it. You're actually getting some shares at the actual price, and then later on when you make people buy them at a cheaper price, you make the profit as well. I don't know if I made myself clear, but I will dive into this more deeply, so don't be worried about it. And here in forex trading we have our own slangs. So yeah, when it's actually a buy going on, you can say a bullish market, and when it's a sell going on, you can say that it's a bearish market. So these are familiar words that you will be seeing around most often. So technically this is the clearly representation of what I just explained a minute before. So I told you, when you expect a currency, when you bet that the currency will gain into value, so you're actually putting a buy. So this is a bearish market going upward. But when you bet like the currency will go down and you're convinced about it, you show that because of this news or that other news, this currency will actually be on the sell, means they will lose value. So the chart will be showing you what? A bearish market from the downtrend, from the downward, exactly like this arrow is showing right here. In the market, beside buying and selling, we have to know exactly what we are buying, what we are selling, which currency we are buying against which other one. So here in forex trading, we have what we call major currency. This currency you're seeing right now on your screen, those are the major currency. I guess the most powerful currency here so far, without any doubt, it's the US dollar. Later on, I think I'll be explaining why the US dollar is the main major currency, and what is also going on about the others, like the euro, who follows very closely, and then the pounds also, who is actually doing so well lately. So, and then we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 major currency, and you can clearly see where those major currency are actually located in our world map. So just get this in, get familiar to this, so because we're gonna be talking about it more in deeper details later. So, and okay, this is one thing, this is one funny thing about the trading. So people want to sound differently. The more familiar you become with the trading market and the trading partner, when you now want to talk about trading with your friend, you want to sound a little bit different. That's those nickname this nickname I like to use the Aussie. Yeah, because the Australian dollar is one of the pair that I like to trade the most. Wait, let's step forward. To know exactly what is going on here, if you pay close attention, you see these are the code. This is what exactly you will be seeing on your chart regularly. When we reach at that point, I will be showing you exactly this currency on the chart. I'll be doing a video to explain you all what you can get from a chart. So technically, these symbols are standard. It's a certain standards who made these symbols. So this is how the symbol is made. The currency symbol always have 3 letters. This is a standard move, and the first two identify the country names, and the last one is actually identify the currency name. So, and this has been made by this ISO 4217 currency code. So it always has been like this, and I guess it will be like this for a quite long time. So what you have to do is to get used to it also, the same as I did. So this is the representation exactly of what's going on. We have there the country name. This is a New Zealand dollar, right? So this is how the currency is made. Like technically, later on I will be discussing about all this much in detail. So from now, not to make this video longer and boring, I don't want you to be sleeping in front of your computer. So let's get over this, and what I'm gonna teach you on the next video is actually how to buy and sell currency pair. Isn't it tricky? Usually when you go to the market, you buy an item, right? You go to the market and you purchase anything, whereas here in forex trading, we are not buying any physical items, but we are buying other currency and we are selling and we are selling them against other currency as well. So in the next video I'll be driving you a little bit more deeper in what exactly I mean by buying or selling currencies. So from now upward, guys, I wish you to be safe and always know that the forex trading is a very risky industry. At any time you can lose your hard work money. I want to remind you that the forex trading is a very risk industry. Is a high possibility of losing all your money in just a space of time. So if you don't know clearly what is forex trading and how to trade, I advise you to go step by step to my video by taking notes. Trading is a skills that you have to grow throughout the days. Is a journey, my guys. So stop get scammed by people. I'm doing this course freely and I'm sharing them on my YouTube channel freely as well. I know many people are paying for this same course, so be aware about those scammers out there and let's get it done. Until then, stay safe.